LightMed was founded in 1997, and we have trusted partnership with an emphasis on collaboration and responsiveness.
We have chosen the LightMed YAG because of the easy setup, because of the presence of the SLT function, which can treat glaucoma for our patients.
The system is exciting because it works really like a Swiss knife. You can treat each retinal pathology.
LightMed products are very popular amongst the teaching hospitals such as Moorfields, and they all highly rate LightMed products.